I have bought thousands of motorcycles, not from auctions, but from private sellers. I used to get into my truck and just go out, hit the road, and buy one bike at a time. Today, we have about 10 bikes lined up, 1,800 miles total trip, and I'm gonna show you exactly why we do it this way, which ones we actually buy and which one we don't. Monday through Thursday, we hunt social media, we hunt other platforms like Cycle Trader, eBay, even Craigslist to this day. We line up as much as we can to pick up Friday through Sunday. Our first stop, just an hour away, one bike that I never bought before. I'm very excited about it. The two bikes we're gonna look at. Nesvet, nice to meet you. So 2019, what were you asking for this one?
8,000.
I know you wanted 8. Man, I gotta replace tires. I gotta do a few things to it. I can do 72 on it. I won't touch that one at all. Like, I'll leave that one as is.
You do 75?
Yeah, I'll do 75. Cool? Appreciate you, man. Thank you, man. Thanks so much. Yeah. All right, the first stop is over with. We picked up the two bikes. The exciting bike was that Harley R1250. Ended up being a great deal, and he was a great guy to deal with. On to the next one, which is only in an hour. Here's the bike. This is it, the Aprilia RS 660. What's the best you can do on it, man? You know, I'm here, ready to buy. I'll handle the payout for you, give you the difference.
Yeah, 75, 100%.
75 is your firm?
Yeah.
Okay. 75 is fine, man. We'll go ahead and do that. Cool. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Bike number 3, I get reminded, I used to do this all the time. And it is actually fun and exciting buying for people and meeting a lot of people along the way. On to the third one, and it's an exciting cruiser that we love to buy. This is the way we have to buy these bikes to get the best deals and at the same time to get the best bikes. How we doing, man? Nesvet. So let's talk about the bike, man. How long you had it?
I bought it in September last year.
500 miles. They all have this whistling sound. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, so what's the best you can do on it, bro? We're already here. We're ready to deal. We want to make this happen.
I'm gonna go just 75, end all be all.
Okay.
But I think you said 7 cash, and I'm like, all right, I'll do 7.
Perfect. All right. We see nothing wrong with the bike. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's very clean, man. You had it maintained, you know, good miles. I really appreciate the deal, bro. And thanks for meeting us, man. Thank you so much. Good brakes. A lot of times we get started and the first 4 bikes we don't buy. And the next day, we're like scared for life, man.
This is
This is nice.
And this is now trip is really good.
Let's get some Chipotle. Like old times?
Yes.
All right, it's 1 a.m. We just got to the hotel somewhere in Virginia. I'm very tired, or I'm just rusty to do this. I can't wait to get some sleep, but I am very excited about tomorrow, see how many we actually end up with. Guess what the message we wake up to? Hey, I'm having higher offers. I can't sell the bike to you. They're all there, man. So we got to the guy, to the 24 R7. We're just pulling up to his apartment complex. Let's go ahead and surprise him on this beautiful morning in Virginia. What's up, man? Hey, this is not enough, bro. We need to fill it up all the way. About to grab what, the title?
Yeah.
A couple of thousand miles, 4,000 miles?
Yeah.
And 7 is what he's asking?
Yes.
I can tell you right away, rusty chain, it's missing an exhaust. He has damage right here.
That's if you mount the GoPro. That's a glue.
That's glue?
Yeah, that's glue.
How is it glue if it's dented in, bro?
It's dented in, bro. You see, it's
But look at the clear coat. Like, it falls off.
Oh.
Like, this is not glue. This front cowl has to be painted. We're passing by. There's no harm, no foul. He doesn't take it. It's fine. I think 7K is way too much for this R7. Damn, bro, where you been, bro? We're about to steal your bike. So long. It's definitely rougher than we expected. You have a bad chain, which is not, it's a few dollars, not bad. This is my biggest concern. I gotta get this repainted. It's not glue. I thought it was glue from the GoPro, but you have a dent in here. It's not as expected. Is 7 the best you can do on it?
I did. I've got tons of offers for 7.
Yeah. I can do 6 because I'm here.
I wouldn't do 6.
No?
I wouldn't do 6.
Okay. Oh, you're missing an exhaust too, bro. You have that exhaust?
That's how,
You don't have
how
it?
I bought it.
That's you bought it? Yeah, so I gotta put an exhaust on it. I can't just do 200 bucks, bro. It's okay. 65 is the best I can do.
I wouldn't do it.
You wouldn't do it? Good luck to you.
You think he's gonna come back?
I mean, I don't know. I really need to be at 6 with that bike. So if he wants to play over 100 bucks, I mean, I don't care about the bike. I don't have to buy it. Like, I need to be at 6 with that bike. The bike needs close to 1,000 in repairs. Like, I'm okay. He has an offer for 7. Go take it.
Would you give me higher on trade-in value?
Yes,
What would you give me on trade-in?
probably 7 because you're buying a bike from me. So if you bought a bike from me, I'll give you 7 all day long because I'm going to make money on the other bike.
What if we did If we did 65,
Okay.
if I come buy a bike, you give me $500 toward the purchase of the bike.
Bro, that's a deal, bro. That's a deal. Like, I have it on camera.
That's fine.
Like good?
I'll do that because I'm ready to get a bike.
That's fine. So 65.
I'm not sure if I want to come down to Jacksonville, so
Yeah.
we'll do
So you don't have
65 now.
come to Jacksonville. I can ship it here.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do that, yeah.
All right, perfect. So
Let's do 65 now. 'Cause
65.
I'm still not sure which bike I want to get.
That's fine.
And then we'll put $500 toward the.
go to my website. You have $500 credit from me.
That sounds good.
Cool. I own the place, so you know it's legit.
Yeah, that's
All right.
That sounds
Let's
good.
rock and roll, man. I got it, bro.
You still got it.
I eat. Well, this is how the game is done. You never know what you're gonna expect. You never know. We're 5 minutes away from our fifth stop. Was it a fifth stop or sixth? Fifth stop. It's a 2020 Yamaha R6. You got a bunch of bikes in there. Bunch of bikes, dude. Man, you guys live out in this beautiful country, bro. Yeah, very, very nice. Beautiful house. You got a bunch of toys, dude.
Yeah.
Why are you getting rid of it?
Because that right there. Rode it quite a bit when I first got it. And like I said, I bought that in 2024.
Okay.
Ever since I bought that, man, it's so much easier to hop on that. I mean, I love the bike, dude. I really.
I mean, you put 16,000 miles, so you rode it. You know, at least you had fun with it. We're gonna make this easy. We already agreed on the price. We'll knock it out. What else you got here, bro?
Oh, GSXR.
What's that, bro?
Yeah, that's my dad's.
Bro, this is a K7. This was the king back in the day. It's your dad's?
Yes, it is. Yeah, that's my dad's.
This is sick. You want to sell it?
Yeah, he wants to sell it.
Now this grabbed my attention, man. Like I'm already, you know, like I like this. This is all stock. Where's your dad at?
He's not here.
He's not here?
Actually out of town.
What does he want for it?
8,000 is the lowest that he'll go.
Really? There's a lot of emotion in me with this bike. Damn, 8 grand? It's an 07, man. Dang, I really want that bike. I really, really, really want that bike. Call him up, tell him I'll do 75. Bro, that's a high offer from a dealer just because it's an emotional buy for me right now.
He said 75. You'll do 75? Do you know where the title is?
I don't care about the title. Mail it later.
Are you sure that you'll do 75? Okay. All right, so here you go. Right here. Here he is on the phone. You tell him you got a deal.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Good about you, sir.
Not bad. I came in here, look at this R6, and I saw the K7. I was like, holy crap. Like, that's the bike from my time.
And it's stock. It ain't never had nothing done to it.
Yeah, I can tell.
Miles on its original miles. Yeah. So it's been well taken care of.
Nah.
Not rode enough. So
no,
I need it. I need it gone.
No.
I don't want it gone because I love the bike,
yeah.
but it just needs to go.
No, I'm very happy to take it, man. Thank you so much for the deal. This really made this trip worth it. Thank you so much. Like I said, I'll give him the cash and we'll close everything up. And thank you again. Appreciate you. I haven't even heard this one, but I know it's perfect. See that fuel pump? You can tell that's just perfect, bro. Just perfect. This is the most exciting buy I had in a while. Hey, watch it. Don't start. No, that's very good. R6 is beautiful, but like I said, I can't shake my head off what we just got at the house, bro. 07 GSXR 1000, 4,900 miles, all original. His dad bought it brand new off the showroom floor. Let's get the highlight of this buy. Hey, maybe this YouTube video we dropped the bike, but we already paid you. You're good. Our sixth stop. That's what we're heading next to, and it's a 2023 Yamaha MT-10 that came out of the blue this morning. So some of the bikes that fell through, that one came through, and we're gonna go in and look at it. The guy has a payoff. I guess this is the highlight of the trip. We just found out that one of the bikes fell. Damn, bro. All right, 1, 2, 3.
A little bit, that's not bad.
So as you guys have seen, unfortunately, the trip was just going way too well. We were having, I guess, way too much fun that we messed up on the strapping, I guess. Now, 5 minutes away from this 2020 MT-10, and I also don't know the real condition of the bike, but he's on our way to the DFL, so it was worth stopping by. Yeah, bro, we bought a lot. We have one more.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
oh, okay.
No damage anywhere that you know of?
Nah, not really.
Okay. That's good tires. 6,000 miles, not bad. What's the best you can do for it? I mean, we're going to get the DFL. I wanted to come and check it out. Overall, good condition. There's just a few things we have to do to it.
I mean, honestly, if I could get 95 for it.
I can't quite do 95. I can do 85.
Would you do 9?
I'll meet you in the middle, do 9.
9?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good deal,
All right,
bro.
cool.
Perfect.
Yeah.
This is a monster. We have driven around 1,300 miles, and I think we have 500 miles left to go home. This is the way we do it, and the reason is you can't beat the inventory that we pick out like this, going to private sellers and buying from them versus the auctions. This works for us, this sets us apart, and this keeps Premier having the best inventory at all times. On to the last stop. How long you had it?
Dude, I've only had it a year. My wife cheated on me and left me and took all my money. My dream bike, it's gonna pay her child support. This is the dirtiest it's ever been, but it's been a garage queen.
It's okay.
It's obviously no bikes.
Now the mood you're in, I'm not haggling with you.
Well, you drove up here. I don't think you have a whole lot of. I don't think you have a whole lot of bargaining power anymore.
Because he's like, hey, don't come and haggle with me. I was like, okay, I won't. I was like, damn, I'm not haggling with you. And that's a wrap. 9 bikes in one trip. All I gotta say, Edo has been killing it on this trip, bro.
Hey.
He made it so easy for me. After 5 years for me to go on the road and have it easy like this. There were some ups and downs with some bikes falling on the trailer, but overall, amazing trip.
It was really good to go again with the Nisvet. I mean, he didn't go for like 5 years. Good memories. I'm happy. He's happy. I'm ready for next adventure with him.
5 years, but I'm crying over here. He said we had good memories. There you have it. We're back from the road. We bought 9 bikes. I'll tell you, I remember all the good moments that I had buying bikes from private sellers and dealing with the great experiences. This is what it takes for us to win at all times. We have to go out there, we have to buy these bikes, and this is how we get the best inventory at Premier. If you guys want to see how we do day-to-day buying, how the dealership operates, click the link here.